to the mix. And on the mix today, we have Dwayne. And Dwayne is speaking with Maxine, and they're talking about Donna. And they're talking about all the projects that were done, and everyone that was on the project basically. They called a few names and mentioned some places that basically they said were not where people lived at the time. Um, Maxine had a lot to say about the situation, and they both agreed on certain things. So go ahead and go catch the video to hear what Maxine and Dwayne has to say about the situation surrounding what they are allegedly saying. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my other lovelies and friends out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. And I wish you prosperity. I wish you everything that is wonderful this year. And for all my other lovelies and supporters out there, I wish you a wonderful day today. Have a great one now.
Talk to me.
Looking back at it now, I start and
My God.
Everything.
Maxine, start from everything. They're trying to bring them my live stream. My live stream going, no, you're wasting your time. Talk here, Maxine, from everything.
There was not one truth in nothing that Donna said about me. Not one truth.
I agree.
Number one, me have no money argument. With all the same Donna send her stuff to me, I've never given her money. It's always her daughter. He has nothing to do with it.
Mm-hmm.
But because she was mad at her kids and not talking to her kids,
mm-hmm.
and I'm the one who was talking to them, she kind of feels so kind of kid.
Mm-hmm.
And the woman come out and put up my name, say me a thief.
Yes, I remember. We all cussed you. We cussed you off. We flipping cut. Mr. We'll cuss Max. Mr. We'll cuss Maxine. We'll cuss her. Because we believed it. We flipping believe. We did.
But I understand Dwayne, because me used to cuss her in the same way.
That's, you know why, Maxine, you know why? But you know why? Because at the time, bear in mind, we're cheering for this person, right? So anything the person would have said to us, we would have taken as flipping gospel. I'm telling you, that's exactly what happened.
Donna come out as a Christian lady.
Mm-hmm.
So now, the don't say anything else. She look at that. We can't say that.
I agree.
We believe everything the woman said.
We
look
did.
For Mary post. Look, if you listen to the video where they put out the day with Ikea post. Then I know say the post never with that.
So hold on, Maxine. Remember that house that Trishana was in, right? The first Trishana, not the one that has this disability, not that one. The other one with the children. So you tell me, say that house they look hot with Sierra in, and this she did live?
No.
Lord Jesus.
No.
So how do you know this? How do you know this?
Because look what's going on where people used to talk.
Oh.
They used to talk, but it wasn't like public. Even with Julia and Julia plays Telonia and all the people there, it was all a lie.
So you remember that little shack where they said Julia, you know? Because you know what we find out after is that little place there belonged to the boyfriend's family, right?
Yes.
So so hold on. This now brings me to Liquor Miss Maxine. Are you saying? Do you think Liquor Miss still live in that little piece of shack? You know that shack that Liquor Miss was in, huh?
Dwayne, none of these people live no week that they say they were.
Lord Jesus Christ.
When you ever walk out there, so it's pure old. You expect some Liquor Miss and two people live up there, so?
That's a good point. That's a flipping good point. Flipping good point.
They couldn't even walk on the outside.
So, Maxine, are you saying all of that was orchestrated to trick us? To make people believe it?
Everything, Dwayne. Every single thing. You see, Donna have a lot to tell God, say. He have a lot to tell God, say. When I look back on everything now, Dwayne, I feel so bad because in our real life, I want to talk to these people. And the people them tear down me and my family. Tear down my family.
I was one of those. I was one of the people who tore you down to Max, and I'm really sorry. I promise
But
you, I'm really sorry.
Apologize and move on, Dwayne. You never go back. When Donna apologize and say when we say when wrong and he never go so and so. And wholly for the flank parents, them apologize to me, you know.
And they're still dragging it today, right? They're still dragging it.
And I'm gonna call her name for no Gabisha Henry was one of Donna's time supporter.
You know, I swear, I see Gabisha here a lot of times. And Gabby harassment wait, Maxine, wait.
Gabisha step in and say, oh no, hear Donna say, I lie, she a tell. Why not still cuss the lady?
I don't know why you guys are reporting my life. It's not going nowhere. You're wasting your time. You're wasting your flipping time. Donna, guys, not my God. I feel God. Go on over her damn page or go to other people's page who's on here tearing down people. Leave me the frick alone for those old people. I'm not flipping old. You hear me? Leave me alone, you old critical people. Move up. Maxine, you know...
I'm not look on them because me hear Donna make one video and I want to talk about that video so bad, but I said to myself, you know, I'm not even giving Donna no relevance because Donna, me not know.
How we go on? What happened?
And she can't realize they are the ones Donna is talking. They are the ones Donna is talking.
Oh yeah, are you talking to one for them to stop calling her name?
Yes. him.
Maxine, yesterday they said it was me.
And then, you know,
I'm like, look at these fools. I don't even call her name. Very rarely. It's only late me start calling her name again lately. So that could never be for me. It could never. And them she attack them because she said they're in it for themselves. And that she said me hear it too. I heard it too.
I heard it too. Them come out, the whole of them, the so-called defenders.
I heard
the so-called defenders of the earth. Who are they defending?
I heard
when
it too.
When they insert them and everything.
I heard it too because they want to turn people against us as if we are worse than anyone else on here. And them are the worst on here. They're the flipping worst. That me say. But Max, me could talk about the damn look or something them. So you tell me say all of that was concocted for us to believe.
Every single thing, Dwayne. Every single thing.
Lord Jesus.
Remember when Quarry broke out with Julia them said they went up house.
Remember when Julia oh God.
Then you believe say Tracy when living at the toilet again.
Right, all them something that Maxine. Who could have lived there so?
Really believe that she had lived in that stinking toilet?
Lord, what the wicked, what the wicked, what is damn wicked. I swear to God. I feel so looking back now, I feel bad as well. I feel flipping bad. I'm telling you, I feel bad. It's not a good look. Yes.
None of those things was real. The only real one that I see on there was Mr. Perry.
Oh yeah, Perry was really messy. Yeah, Perry was really messy.
Perry was real.
Really
that
messy.
Was real.
Very messy. None
of other them not real. Not one of them.
Someone's doing it today. It's on, but it's still a little bit. I have a vent thing there, and it's a little bit. The breeze is coming through. So me have to tie up myself. Leave me. I'm warm now. I'm warm.
Donna come out at me when me look because Donna start long time doing because remember say I went for the weekend he start
Start what?
Me hold a stitch.
Oh yes, the backside. I put on your picture. I
come out and you say Crow be it.
Me call you John Crow.
core bait in Florida, give back Donna her money. Donna
Mr.
work
Me
for her
cuss
money.
Maxine. Me cuss him.
I mean, they call her
Bad.
core bait,
Me
and
cuss Maxine.
nothing, me say, but the man.
Me cuss out Maxine back then like coming. I really did.
Dwayne, you cuss me bad.
Me cuss it darling. Me cuss you.
Tell us,
Me
me say,
cuss.
Dwayne, if you took down and peace, and you took down and peace, me can't talk to you.
Someone said Miss Joanne and Winsome was. Oh, Winsome, that's the one when they put out to the horse. Yep, I believe that one too. I believe that one too. But Maxine, you know, you remember the power with the whole stuff for they said you're saying suitcase. Suitcase you said two suitcases. A suitcase you said was it suitcase?
The girl bring
wait
one suitcase.
one guy mobile yes what
shape like a Winston.
yes one the guy mobile I send one up this right and
I never look here. I send a 2 container. Donna gate a truck I fi carry come a Donna gate. I never send no barrel.
No, me say one time sitting with 2 suitcases and one the guy mobile and one turn up this all that one the
digger. Send no suitcase and mobile. Me send a container a mobile and me send 2 for Donna.
But do you remember there was a time where Donna did put out the live stream and somebody come and say this money where they call it the same thing. And I remember that one day I told same thing.
I know me no know.
We never saw. We didn't see the person.
Because
we never saw the person. Never saw the person. You know, I'm a little bit shocked.
Suitcase with Gerber. I know we not see nothing too much as suitcase. Never come out of the suitcase, Dwayne.
Listen, I'm telling you, Maxine. You know, Maxine. Who do you think is the most mixed up out of all of us? Be blunt.
No, Donna.
Why you say that? Why you say that? Why you say that?
Because Donna know how to hide her and behind her. Donna, alright. Notice Donna. Every time Donna have a good moment, he come out with our next piece of bagger. Look how you go feed the homeless people, them and stuff like that. Kudos. Okay? Good job. And not even 24 hours after that, he come out with this heap of foolishness. People, if you don't call, I got Ashanti, go tell Ashanti, say don't call your name.
No, but you know.
You not to go and call the rest of them. All of them who they defend you. Go tell them don't call your name.
Maxine, wait, start from they are uncertain because they're trying to get my life done. It's not going nowhere. You're wasting your damn time. You're wasting your time. Relax. Go and take a knife and fork. Dude, leave me alone. Talk to Maxine. Talk to me, girl. So
I share the biggest mix up out there, and she eyed her hand. When me Ashanti they do Marcia's son.
Right.
Ashanti in no better position, Dwayne.
I agree, Maxine. I agree.
I have Ashanti in a court, and if Ashanti dare come out in a public, tell him if he come out in a public, nobody see him here. He cannot do it.
Maxine, let's flip the script a little bit. You seen teeth them? You seen teeth them?
I don't hear.
Yes, Ashanti teeth them?
Lord God, you don't hear nasty do. Look here. Me can't. Everyone go do something and me can't.
Alright, later. Alright. It's so funny. You know, with these people, at this point, right, a lot of them, they've forgotten about themselves. They're on this flipping crusade of self-destruction. I swear to God, only God alone can tell me I'm telling a lie right now. Because I look upon them, look upon myself, I'm me for look so, not them. I'm me for look so. And I don't look so. That's what Max said. Any day me look so, I swear to God, I'll save my money more then it's go bleach me there. I'll go bleach my teeth them. I'm flipping wood. Shit. I'll go put in damn veneers. I'll go put in flipping veneers. We'll find my backside got Turkey or Dominican Republic. I'll put in flipping veneers. My mouth looks so crazy. Right now them look too bad. But any day them get so. That's that. And Me being, I'm disabled and I'm flipping vain. I like to praise myself. So, any day I look like that, may God have mercy in my mouth. I don't get chopped up. Oh God. But Max, listen, I'm gonna say, right, you know, I feel like a lot of stories were sold to us. You see, looking back now, looking back, I don't care. Looking back now for me, I see I'm being very respectful. I'm being very respectful. I'm gonna keep nobody say I'm talking my mind on some things. Looking back now, I felt like some stories were sold to us for what? Who am I to judge? Like at the end of all of that, some people did get some help, and you know, it's a good thing to let bygones be bygones and just move forward. Like it is what it is. And then Lord, I don't care how you wanna I don't care how you wanna receive it. I don't care. Remember, I live in London. I cannot hungry, I cannot suffer. With your support or without your support, I can't suffer. Praise God. I don't have to cost people to make a $20. I don't have to cost people to make a $5, a $10, nor $15. I don't. In a couple of years, I'm going to get another one in my account. I'm going to take him, I got TikTok, go squander it again, and put some groceries in my house, and pimp his pay one and two bill, and go squander the rest. Cause another time after that, I get another big one in my account. I can't suffer. Praise God. But yes. Now let's move forward now. What about Maxine? I feel like with Maxine, the things Maxine said, it was flipping warranted because Madam put Maxine a wallop or something. Hi Sharon, my love. You alright, my girl? Madam put Maxine a wallop or something, and Maxine got cussed out till to date. To flipping it, Maxine still continue to get cussed out by people, and still people are dragging her for things that was said years ago that was not true. True story. True story. Now let's move on to Chris. Go on to Chris. Chris is very mixy. Very, very mixy. He's a very mixy person. Respectfully, he's flipping mixy. I remember, you know how Chris busted on this and thing. I get for really bust out by cussing off Tina Chin and cussing off Maxine. Yes, that's how Chris was able to win the Plank's hearts by cussing off Tina Chin and cussing off Maxine for over there. So I'm not telling a lie. At no point did Maxine ever call Chris name in anything. Chris just inserted himself because he wanted relevancy. True story. Him call Maxine prehistoric dinosaur. Him call Tina Chin wretch. What crutches? I want about things. People be telling me if you was there, if you was flipping there, it was like watching a flipping movie. Those days, I was not like I was never a live stream person. I was more taking them content, crapping out the juicy parts and posting on my page. That's how my page really get to build. Because I was cropping out for them to nastiness and put it on my page. But yeah, Chris in cuss Tina in cuss her. Remember one time, I put on one wig and go put in life for cuss Tina. Oh God! Oh God! I'm telling you, it was freaking mad. He said, one of the big people here, all these big people are mad people. All of them are flipping mad. I have now concluded they are all functioning mad big people. I swear to God, because back then, ask yourself why Mixup Queen K, myself was able to just bust sweat, page just bust sweat, because we was taking their nasty content and fling our page. And a lot of you know I'm telling no lies, because a lot of you on here, you know I'm telling no lies. I'm telling no flipping lies for the people them. I'm not. I would never come in here and tell baseless lies on people. What is the lie? How is that lie gonna benefit my life in any way, shape, or form? It won't. So why come in here and just tell baseless lies? No. Hell no. But yeah, Majesty was able to Majesty was able to bust properly by cussing out Maxine and Tina Chin. And another time, in company live stream, let me tell you how him truly bust. I want to say bust in really bust way that time. Was when he got put in live stream and put on that show, but say him have a heart attack. That class. Remember? Do you remember that day? That was a flipping show. And that was also a flipping life. But it, me I say it worked for him. It worked. So Majesty, kudos to you. I'm in no way, shape, or form I'm against you, but I'm not with you either. But I'm gonna say kudos to you because you really pulled off a award-winning performance, especially with that flipping show. I say